If you want to capture a still image from your video in DaVinci Resolve 20, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to grab a frame from your timeline, save it as an image, and export it to your computer in just a few steps. This is perfect if you want thumbnails, references, previews, or just a clean still from your edit without using any extra software. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Color page in DaVinci Resolve. You can do that by clicking the color wheel icon at the bottom center of the interface. Once you're on the Color page, you'll see your video clip displayed in the viewer, along with a timeline underneath. Now move the playhead to the exact frame you want to capture. This step is important because the still image will be taken from whatever frame is currently active on the timeline, so take a moment to position it carefully. When you've found the perfect frame, right-click anywhere inside the main viewer window where the video is displayed. A context menu will appear. From that menu, select Grab Still. DaVinci Resolve will immediately capture that frame and store it in the gallery panel. If you look at the top left of the screen, you should now see your captured image appear as a thumbnail in the gallery. This confirms that the still has been successfully grabbed from your clip. Now, if you only need the still inside Resolve, you can stop there. But if you want to save the image to your computer, there's one more step. Right-click the thumbnail in the gallery panel. From the menu that appears, choose Export. This will open the export window, where you can decide how you want to save the image file. In the export options, look for the File Format dropdown at the bottom of the window. Here, you can choose a format like JPEG, PNG, or TIFF, depending on the quality and file size you want. JPEG is great for smaller file sizes, PNG is useful for clean image quality, and TIFF is ideal if you want a higher quality still for professional use. After choosing your format, give the file a name, select the folder where you want it saved, and then click Export. That's it! Your still image is now saved from DaVinci Resolve 20 and ready to use anywhere you need it. This is a really useful workflow for creating thumbnails, sharing reference frames, or pulling important shots from your footage without leaving the program. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.